Hello bachcho, let's see the question. Solenocytes are the excretory structures in, and the options are A. Echinodermates, B. Platyhelminthes, C. Annelids, and D. Mollusks. So solenocytes are the excretory cells, and these are the protonephridia. So protonephridia are the tubes which are blind at one ends, and other ends they are having the ducts which carry the waste away from the body. So such cells like this. So there is a tuft of cilia or flagella. It may be cilia as in case of the flame cells, or it may be the flagella in case of solenocytes, and these are the ducts. So such a cell, here is the nucleus. So such cells which are closed at one end, so they pick up the waste from the cavity, and from this this waste is carried to the outside. So such cells are called the solenocytes or the flame cells. These are also known as the flame cells, and these are the excretory structures in which of the following? So the right answer is Platyhelminthes. So Platyhelminthes include all the organisms which are dorsoventrally flattened. So flattened body, triploblastic, organ level of organization, these all are the characters of Platyhelminthes, and these include all the planarians, planaria, then tapeworms, flukes. All these are the members of platyhelminths. Now the right option of this answer is option B. Now if we look at other three, then in echinoderms the excretion occurs by the tube fit. In annelids and mollusks there are nephridia for the excretion, and also in nephridia are there in annelids, and also in mollusk the excretion is also done by the mantle. So out of these, the organisms with solenocytes are the platyhelminthes. So option B is the right answer. I hope it is clear. All the best.